Okay, we take the South Pass, cut them off at the beach, and smash their boats before they even...
Don't do it, boy. You pack a man like that into a corner, you may not like the outcome.
Especially when that man travels with 100-ship armada.
But I have to save my father.
Tiger is not gonna hurt your father. Yet. Stoic is not what he wants.
He's right.
You want me to trust him?
If there's one thing Alvin knows, Hiccup, it's treachery.